Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Heron Series 4000 Longliner Motorized Water Level Meter. The Longliner Premium Water Level Meter is a quick and easy solution for detecting both static and drawdown levels in deeper wells and vertical shafts. The electric motor with the forward-reverse 12-volt variable speed will save valuable time winding longer tape lengths. The power reel with the yellow steel tape is an excellent tool for drillers, consultants, and hydrogeologists who require the most accurate of measurements. Let's go over the features, advantages, and how to properly use the Longliner. Now we'll go over the different features of the Longliner motorized water level meter. The Easy Glide wheel hand cart can be removed if you prefer to bolt the motorized reel to a vehicle floor. The powder-coated steel plates installed on the center hub allows for smooth movement while reeling the tape up and down the well. Between the two plates you will find the premium yellow steel tape that Heron is famous for. This tape is coated in polyethylene to protect the markings under it for many years. The tape comes in either metric or imperial markings. The imperial markings are in engineering scale. The tape has a dog bone profile, meaning that it's rounded on either side and flat in the center, which helps eliminate sticking to the side of the casing. There is a shear pin style linkage above the probe, which will break away if your probe gets stuck in the well. Better to save your expensive long tape and lose an inexpensive probe, both of which are modular and replaceable as shown in our parts list. The Longliner comes with a fully submersible, permanently affixed modular water level meter probe. This probe is used to detect both static and drawdown levels. When you lower the probe into the water, the unit will start to sound immediately. Please note that you need to have both the stainless steel end as well as the start of the probe body in the water. This creates the contact. The 0 point starts here. On the one side of the reel you will find the 12-volt forward-reverse variable speed electric motor with the power cables attached. You will also find the battery digital voltage indicator and the electronic panel. The electronic panel is modular and removable in case it needs to be replaced. The circuitry on the back of the panel is encapsulated to protect it from water and the elements. The 9-volt battery is easy to change by simply sliding out the battery drawer. There is an audio and a visual signal when the probe touches the water. There is no on and off switch. The water is the switch and signaling will occur on its own. If there is any cascading water in the well, simply adjust the sensitivity dial until you can get a clear, crisp, consistent signal when the probe touches the water. There's also a mode change button to put the unit into drawdown mode. This is a great feature for pump testing. On the other side of the reel you will find the reel brake and the fail-safe manual hand crank. The hand crank is ideal to use when there is no power source available. Not only is the cart handle foldable for ease of vehicle transport, but it also provides housing for the cables. The convenient handheld remote is seated in a magnetic saddle. The remote controls the direction and speed of the tape movement. Push the switch up to lower the probe and down to raise the probe. The turtle on the speed control indicates slow and the rabbit indicates faster. The steel hitch port is an ideal way to store the power cable when not in use. Before connecting the alligator clips of the Longliner to a power supply, ensure the control switch is in the middle off position. Connect the red clip to the positive terminal and the black clip to the negative terminal. Disengage the reel brake. To protect your tape, we suggest putting a cloth over the sharp casing edge. To lower the probe in the well, push the switch to the up position. You can control the speed by adjusting the speed control knob. Clockwise is faster. The unit will start to sound on contact with the water and the LED lights will turn on. The reading on the tape will provide you with the static water level. If you would like to do drawdown calculations or pump tests, lower the probe to the desired depth shown on the tape where you want to pump the water to. The meter will be sounding. Release the switch. This will stop the movement. Then push the mode button once and the meter sounding will stop. The unit is now in drawdown mode. Turn your pump on and start pumping out water. Once the water goes past the probe, the unit will alarm and sound when the absence of water. Drawdown mode will help you to calculate well production. Push the mode button again to put the meter back into static mode. Since the water level probe is manufactured to be fully submersible, you are able to find the full well depth, providing there are no obstructions. You will simply lower the probe to the bottom of the well, and when you feel a slack in the tape, note the markings on the tape for your measurement. To raise the probe back up, push the switch to the down position. So this is how you use the Heron Longliner dual function motorized water level meter.